Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cannolis at home. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Next, cut in 4 tablespoons of cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Then, add 1/4 cup of Marsala wine and 1 egg yolk. Mix until a firm dough forms, then knead it briefly. This simple method ensures a perfect base for your delicious cannolis. Once your dough is ready, roll it out very thin, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Use a 3.5-inch round cutter to create your dough circles. Carefully wrap each circle around a metal cannoli form, sealing the edges with a little egg wash. Heat vegetable oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the shells for 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and crisp. Let them cool completely before filling. Now for the star of the show, the creamy ricotta filling. Start with 15 ounces of well-drained whole milk ricotta cheese. Whip the ricotta until it's incredibly smooth and light. Gently fold in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. For an authentic touch, stir in 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips or finely diced candied fruit. This creates a rich, sweet, and irresistible filling. Finally, it's time to assemble your homemade cannolis. This step is best done right before serving to keep the shells crisp. Use a piping bag to generously fill each cooled cannoli shell with the creamy ricotta mixture. For that classic cannoli look, dust them lightly with powdered sugar. You can also dip the ends in chopped pistachios or more mini chocolate chips. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cannolis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.